Welcome to in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box here. Sure, the first thing is our Realme device. In our case, it's in a paper green color. I think that's looks beautiful. Also, we have here the just protective silicone case in a gray color, also the original one here. The next thing is the Realme charger brick, the original Realme with all of the specs here, and the USB Type-C cable. And also here we got this paper box, and here we have the SIM jack tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide and safety guides. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes by default. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.